Oncorhynchus Masou, known as the Masou salmon, masoon, or the cherry hybrid salmon, is a species of salmon found in the northern part of the Pacific Ocean along East Asia, ranging from the Kamchatka, Kuril Islands, Sakhalin, and Primorsky Krai south through Korea, Taiwan, and Japan. A number of subspecies are known, including the anadromous, widespread Masou Oncorhynchus Masou, e.g. in Korea, Japan, the critically endangered, landlocked Taiwanese or Formosan salmon Oncorhynchus Masou formosanus found in certain freshwater systems of Taiwan, the Biwa trout endemic of Lake Biwa, and the anadromous or stream-dwelling amago Oncorhynchus Masou macrostomus restricted to western Japan. On average, the salmon prefers a temperate climate, around the area of 65-58 degree N, and in the sea, it prefers a depth range of 0 to 200 in, 0 to 656 feet. A Masou salmon which has reached sexual maturity has a darkened back, and the stripes on the body sides become bright red with crimson tinge to merge on the abdomen into one common longitudinal band of lighter color. For this reason, it was given the name cherry salmon. As adults, Masou salmon tend to weigh 2.0 to 2.5 kilograms, 4.4 to 5.5 pounds, and measure roughly 50 centimeters, 20 in length. The maximum size that can be attained by the species, which is in the region of Primorsky Krai, is 71 centimeters, 28 in long and 9 kilograms 20 pounds in weight. Like other Pacific salmon, its life cycle is subdivided into marine and freshwater periods. In rivers, this species lives from 1 to 3 years and can form living freshwater forms. The sea life cycle, depending on the age of the young, continues for 2.0 to 3.5 years. In the sea, the Masou salmon feeds intensely on crustaceans, less often on young fish. On attaining sexual maturity, in its 3rd to 7th years of life, it enters rivers to spawn. Its spawning run starts earlier than that of other salmon species. After spawning, most passing fish die, and those that remain alive, preferentially dwarf males, participate in spawning the next year, too. Emerging from the nest, the young do not travel to the sea immediately, but remain in spawning areas, in the upper reaches of rivers, and on shallows with weak currents. The young move to pools and rolls of the river core to feed on chironomid, stonefly, and mayfly larvae, and on airborne insects. The Masou salmon travels to the ocean in its 2nd, or occasionally even 3rd year of life. This salmon, like most others, is a highly commercial species caught in fisheries, raised for aquaculture, and sought after as a game fish. It is marketed fresh and frozen and is often eaten broiled or baked. Masou salmon, anadromous, Siron, form. Shikawi, synonym, Yamame, and anadromous, black-spotted form, or a synonym of macrostomus, red-spotted. Iwame trout, recessive spotless morph, bar. Iwame. Rhodurus, Biwa trout, in Lake Biwa of western Japan. Macrostomus, amago, red-spotted Masou salmon, endemic to western Japan. Formosanus, Formosan landlocked salmon. References